morning friends, welcome to Infotainment Bangalore. Today we are going to give you an opportunity to obtain a certificate from NSE India, that is National Stock Exchange India. It is a government body and it is a valuable certificate for any financial or MBA students. Okay, let us first search the website in Google. We are going to type eLearn Markets and we are going to click on eLearn Markets. This is the website. You can access different courses. There are different courses. You need to log in or register with your regular email ID. These are the courses offered, featured courses. It's of thousands of rupees, friends, thousands of rupees. So in this video we are going to show you how to get a free course. Okay, how to get a free course worth rupees 4,500 or more. Okay, so these are the courses available here. These are the instructors. So this is a government website, my friends. You are going to have an advantage of getting a certification from a national stock exchange. So here we are. So in this you need to browse for a course. Down we go. Basic of financial market. That is the course we are going to look into that. So please scroll. Until you get the course. So our target is basics of financial market. So we are going to search for that. I think we left over somewhere. Here it is, basics of financial markets. We are going to choose that. It's around 4,700 something. So log in with your Gmail, regular Gmail. It's loading, guys. Now update your profile by entering a mobile phone number. Enter your number. Will be successfully enrolled. Start learn. And once again enter few details like your cell phone number, state, country, etc. Whatever it is been asked there, just fill it up. State and city pin code. Then update your profile. We are in. So it's of around 4,720 rupees. That is was the amount it is showing. Click on available coupon codes and in apply coupon code you just type fresh 100 without space, FRESH in caps and 100 without space. Then apply. Done. So we are in, guys. So you can see now the amount payable is 0. So you need to pay nothing to avail this certificate given by the National Stock Exchange of India. It's a government body, please remember. And once you finish this process, just click on start learning. So once you click on start learning, you will be redirected. Yeah, purchase complete. That's what the course worth rupees 4,720 is now free. Now learn more. that is what you are going to click, learn now or learn more. The thing you are going to click, and it is going to be redirected to the course contents where you have to search different contents. Okay, help and how, that is what it is showing here now. So it is going to help you to find what all the contents available. So just click on the contents on the top right corner. You can see there are many sections, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and almost 8 sections will be there. So each section you will be having different modules. You can see 4 2 5. Click on the first one, click on the video, that is unit 1. You doesn't want to see the video, you can just skip it by clicking on mark as complete on the above tab. Okay, just do the same for all units in that section 1, mark as complete, and just keep clicking on next, which appears on your top left corner. Keep clicking next. Once everything is over, go back to the section, go to the second module, continue the same. So just watch the video without skipping. You will come to know what to be done throughout the modules. Section 2, same way what you've done for section 1. See, everything is ticked in green, everything is complete. And now once again do every other activities just like you did in section 1 module 1. Click all the units and mark as complete. That is the only job you need to do throughout this course. So guys, watch the video completely. Please like and subscribe our video for more certifications. We are going to get more certifications once the subscription, likes and comments show a lot of motivation, lot of love towards us. We are going to get more and more certifications for you. Just watch the process what I do throughout. Follow the same procedure. Somewhere you need to attend some quiz, some kind of exam, just see what I do there. Just follow the same steps throughout. Just click mark as complete everywhere. Click next. It takes time. Keep clicking next. Then once it pops up, click mark as complete and continue doing the same throughout the video. You just watch what I do and just do the same throughout the course for all the modules and all the sections. That's the only thing you need to do. You need to give no exam or no quiz in between. But if sometimes somewhere it is necessary, just see what I do and follow the progress. That will lead to your certification. Just go to section 2. You can see in module 1 you have 10 units. Don't need to worry, it takes a matter of seconds to complete one unit. Just click mark as complete and click next. Move forward. Every time when you click mark as complete, click next to move forward. This is one of the best course for anybody to learn the basics of financial markets, friends. If you are just working for sake of certification, as you have prior knowledge and you are a market professional, you no need to study or view all the videos. You don't need to access all the contents. But if you are beginner, if you need to learn basics of markets, okay, fundamental, okay, these courses offered by NSE India is very useful. It is going to give a lot of insight. It is going to enlighten your basics in financial markets. You are going to get a lot of knowledge through here. So if you are really interested in this course, along with the certification, you can access all the videos, study all the materials. The only goal for making this video is to help you get the course worth rupees 4,720 rupees for free. Okay, and also get a value added certificate that is going to put a lot of weightage on your resume. So that is the only purpose of this video. So for more such certification which is going to give more value addition to your resume, please subscribe and like our channel. Please comment. So any other courses you need, find some courses elsewhere, you need us to crack that, so please leave a message to us. We are going to come back with that certification and all quiz solutions or exam solutions, whatever the thing may be. Even if it is a peer graded assignment or some sort of project, we are ready to help you guys. So please like and subscribe our video, watch the video, entire video. Okay, just support us. Your motivation and love is going to make us work hard and bring more joy to you by giving lot of free certificates. See, just click on mark on complete and click on next. Keep doing the same procedure throughout the video for all the modules of all the sections available in this course called Basics of Financial Markets. So easy, we have completed all three and we are into the fourth section now. So let us see what we have in fourth section. We have 12 modules. Sorry, just one module and 12 units. We have a lot of videos there. So a lot of skipping has to be done in case to finish the process of certification. You can also get the certificate first, and at your free time you can access all the course materials. Okay, your account, you have to go to your dashboard and search my courses. In my courses, this completed course will be there. The materials will be there, the videos will be there. You can access and gain knowledge at your convenient time, guys. So friends, if you are requesting for a knowledge hungry kind of certification, please cooperate. Please help us in growing our channel by subscribing and liking our videos. Put a lot of comments. Suggestions are always welcome. Just keep on doing. Section 4 is completed. Go to section 5. This also has 12 units in a single module. Need to just complete that by just marking as complete everywhere. All the units will be done in no time. So hardly, guys, within 15-20 minutes or even less after seeing my video, you are going to get an e-certificate from NSE India. So that certification will be a value-added certificate in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile. You can portray everywhere. Where you are searching for job, you can connect in a better way. Everything is completed now. I'm going to move to section 6. Quite a few modules there, quite a few units to be completed. Follow the same procedure, nothing less or nothing more. Guys, the content available here is of high quality, which is going to give you a very good knowledge of financial markets. So my suggestion is to study the contents very well once after the certification to get in and out of the markets. Okay, whatever the basics concepts have been taught here is of high quality by experts chosen from NSE India, National Stock Exchange of India. Once again, the website name is, friends, eLearn Markets, ELEARN Markets, MARKETS, eLearn Markets. You just type in a Google, the first thing that you are going to see, click on the website, register, enroll, and follow the steps what is been told in the video. Apply the coupon code to get the course for free. As you can see, 6th section is also covered and completed. Now we are going to 7th section. You can see quite a few modules there. Follow the same steps. Within a fraction of a minute it is going to be get completed. Just tick on the mark as completed and click next. Everything will be completed within a minute. Section 7 will be done very soon. That's it. Section 7, it is completed. And now you can move to the final section, 8th section. In a minute it will be completed too. So guys, for any certificates related to Coursera, Internshala, Inside Sherpa, or any other certificates, please leave us a message. We are going to get or try our maximum efforts to make handy for you to get certificates of different courses, which is going to get a lot of value addition for you and your career in future. So post COVID, you may not be daunted for sitting at home idle. So these are the activities that are going to help you gain knowledge and also some value addition in form of e-certificates to your resume. So please guys, like our channel, subscribe to our channel, comment your suggestions, and let us know what shall we do for the better. So everything is completed guys. Now we shall move to our last segment, that is our certification, getting the certification. That's what we are going to do. Get the certificate done. Once you go back to your course, that is my courses in your box dashboard. See, the course is completed. Click on view all. You will be directed. So you can see there is a get certificate tab. So click on that.